I'm reviewing the BaseKit website builder. Find links and resources below. BaseKit is a simple, efficient builder designed for small businesses, freelancers, and individuals seeking a quick, professional online presence. It's ideal for those preferring all-in-one solutions bundled with hosting and domains. BaseKit's intuitive drag-and-drop editor lets anyone create and customize websites. Its responsive templates, optimized for various industries, ensure your site looks great on any device. Easily update text, add images, and rearrange elements to match your brand. BaseKit's lightweight simplicity avoids the complexity of builders like Wix or Squarespace, prioritizing speed and ease of use. It's perfect for straightforward business sites, landing pages, or basic portfolios. BaseKit includes basic e-commerce functionality, enabling small businesses to sell products online with product listings and secure payments. It also includes SEO tools and performance tracking. While BaseKit's simplicity might feel limiting for complex projects, it excels at helping users quickly build professional sites without advanced features. BaseKit is an excellent, no-frills builder for small businesses and individuals. Its responsive templates, simple editor, and basic e-commerce tools make it reliable for straightforward projects. Check the links below to explore BaseKit and see if it meets your needs. This review should help you decide if BaseKit aligns with your website goals.